Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we have ventured kind of different today. That's right, we ventured here at Alhambra. Now the weather is kind of iffy, so that's why we had to postpone a certain visit. But don't worry, Adventures with David will make its debut there pretty soon. But today's adventure actually lands us here to definitely try out Grill 'em All. Now, is this burger worth the money? Well, that's why we're here today. That's why you guys are watching here today. Even Benjamin David Wilson, the founding father to Alhambra, is right next to Grill 'em All. Dude, he looks so dapper, man. All right. Let's go. Grill 'em All first were established back over 2009, 14 years ago. Who would have thunk it 1 year later that they were the kings, the dominator, that's right. They actually won Food Network's Great Food Truck Race. Oh my gosh, and now they've been here for quite some time now. They had numerous celebrities here. They had some rock and roll legends here. They actually had some wrestlers. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've been wanting to definitely try it out. So you know what? On this crazy weather type of day, let's go get ourselves a burg. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really awesome. Look at this setup right here that they have here. The Edward Cinema's back over there. Dude, this is a beautiful, beautiful setup. There's a lot to actually eat around here, so you know what? We may be back here to try some more food. All right, so a couple of things. We're gonna come out here and then eat our food and talk about it, but it was really loud in there, but it was really cold out here right now. I didn't want to actually have my wife get too cold out here, but we tried the Behemoth Burger. Now it's grilled cheese bun, cheddar, bacon, barbecue, and grilled onion and pickle. Now that right there, that burger is monumentally big. It was so big. But man, trying that burger was so delicious. It was sweet. It was savory. It was pretty much everything you needed. Now, I actually looked at it, the Behemoth Burger, and it was more like a giant-sized grilled cheese. It's like when Ant-Man makes it bigger. But yes, we definitely, I didn't actually finish it. My wife didn't finish it. It was too big, even for two people. Now, the next one I actually did pick out, which is the Primus, is the Sailing the Seas of Cheese. It's the AKA, which is MJF, Maxwell Jacob Friedman. He's a AEW wrestler. It's actually cheesy chili, jalapeno bacon, cheddar, and garlic chipotle sauce on a half pounder. That one right there is the burg of the month. So I had to definitely try it out for you guys. But yes, right there, man. If you guys are still here and still wanting to come down and check it out in February, come on down and check it out ASAP, because that burger might be gone. Now, we tried the Primate fries. Maybe next time we'll actually try out the Ozzy Osbourne fries. But we tried the Primate fries. Primate style, cheddar, Thousand Island, and grilled onion. And man, that was surefire. It was really good. They had 3 different sauces that they can give you, which is one aioli, they have one barbecue, and they actually have one chipotle ketchup. So good. The interior of Grill 'em All was like home. Like when you actually go in there and you want to go to your man cave or you want to go to your fun place, they actually have all the pictures in the wall, which it has like all the ratings that they actually give it from LA Weekly and other awards as well. But man, that wall not only has some wrestlers in there, they have some rock and roll legends there, and they even have the concept arts and even like the food truck that they actually, I believe, that they used to win the entire show, which is really cool. I was actually speaking to one of the guys in there, Matt, and man, dude, so if you want actually a recommendation, usually the most part, a lot of people do recommend getting the Behemoth. All in all, we had a great time filming inside there. We had a great time eating the food. Dude, come on out and scope them out. I'm gonna have their address down below. But yeah, Matt was actually letting me know that this is their 10th anniversary being at this location, 14 years altogether. So man, it is so incredible. Now if you do want that February burger of the month, make sure you guys do it ASAP. All right guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure here at Alhambra to definitely try out Grill 'em All. Now, in the very beginning of the video, I had a question in my head. Was it worth the ticket price? All those burgers? Yes. 100%. Please come on out and scope them out, guys. Without a doubt, a really solid meal. Now, if you do want to try out like the Behemoth for 2 people, yes, just try out the Behemoth, cut it in half, and just have it for 2 people. This is a high recommendation from Adventurez with David. Come on out and scope out Grill 'em all. Now, if you guys love this video, and it definitely did help you out on your next fun adventure, make sure you guys do give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new here and want to actually subscribe to the Fun Adventures, make sure you guys are subscribed. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.